You know, I sometimes wonder what makes a person VIP. We understand VIP as very important person, but what makes a person important? So what I will believe in is that the value, identity and purpose is what makes a person VIP. So somebody who knows what are his value systems, what are the core values that he has, somebody who understands the purpose in his life, and that link to the identity that he wants to create makes a person VIP. Now let's take it a step up. So what makes a person VVIP? You know, when your vision gets aligned with your value, identity and purpose, that makes an individual VVIP. And that being VVIP is the first step and one of the most important steps towards becoming a legend. You know, what are values? Values are something which is worthy and important to us. Values are our foundation. It's the base on which we create our identity. So if the foundation is strong, if our value systems, we are aware of our value systems, okay, and if we live by our value systems, if we know those, superstructure can change multiple times. We can change the building on top as many times as we want, okay, but our value system, the foundation need to be really strong. And there is a process that involves in identifying your true values, okay. So we at Crestcon, we help in identifying, help the person in finding their values, identifying their values, the values that truly matters, something which connects viscerally deep inside. And as I said earlier, something there, it's worthy and important to an individual. That makes a value for a person. It's something what we live for or live by, something which is non-negotiable. Value systems cannot change. The structure on the top, that can keep on changing, but the foundation never changes. Foundation is done only once. So it's the base, is the support system for our existence, for our decision making. At every step, values becomes our guiding force. They become the filter for taking any decision in life. And that support system is what the values are. So, the most important thing for existence are our values. Now imagine on top of these values, we have a clarity of our purpose in life. The identity that we are able to create, how true that identity is going to be. And if all this get linked to our vision, and vision gets aligned to our values, our purpose, and the identity that we want to create for ourselves, because it is this identity that becomes our calling card, our visiting card. So when we are no more here in our mortal form, it is that identity that we leave behind is what we'll be known by. And that's how the importance of identity supported by the value system in line with the purpose and everything aligned to our vision becomes so important in becoming a legend. See, vision, if we look at it, and in a very normal word as a vision, so we talk about our eyes, the vision is 6x6, is the clarity of seeing the things is what the vision is all about. It's the visibility. That's all. That's nothing more to it. We may give it whatever twists and turns we want, but end of the day, vision is all about visibility. Now, visibility to what? To our purpose, to the identity that we want to create. And if we turn around this visibility from outside to inside, the visibility of our value system. Now, if you want to know what your vision is, you want to discover your value systems, the true identity that you should be creating for yourself, or what is the purpose of our life journey, of our business journey. If you want to become a VVIP, then click on the link below, which is given in the description, and embark on this fantastic journey with us.